Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, and before I introduce myself, I would like to thank all the ladies and gentlemen who watching this, and of course our honorable lecturer, Mr. Asep Hardianto. And I would like to introduce myself. My name is Nisa Nursazi Fatika, and I want to present my research proposal seminar. The title is The Implementation of the Scavenger Hunt Reading Method to Improve the Reading Comprehension Skills of Grade 9 Student at SMP 10 Kota Bumi. Background of the problem. Reading comprehension is the crucial skill for academic success, especially in EFL, English as a foreign language, settings like Indonesia. However, many high school students still struggle to understand main ideas, draw inference, and interpret details from English text. These difficulties are often linked to limited vocabulary, low motivation, and passive classroom methods that rely heavily on teacher-centered interaction. Based on classroom observation at SMP 10 Kota Bumi, Grade 9 students often appear disengaged and rely on guessing during reading tasks. A pre-survey in the 2025 until 2026 school year revealed that only 36.98% of students passed the minimum mastery criteria or KKM of 73. Ideally, at least 80% should reach this standard. The data shows a significant gap between expected learning outcomes and current student performance, signaling the need for more interactive and student-centered reading strategies. As you can see from the data that I got, the student scores that pass from 73 are just 36.98%. Meanwhile, the student who got lower score, it's almost 64%. The gap is kind of big. Identification of the problem. Based on observation and pre-survey that following issues were found, students show low motivation and interest in reading English. Vocabulary mastery is limited, affecting comprehension. Reading classes are mostly passive and teacher-centered. Students rarely interact actively with the text or ask questions. The limitation of the problem. This study focused on improving reading comprehension through the reading scavenger hunt strategy limited to grade 9 students at SMP 10 Kota Bumi during the 2025 until 2026 academic year. Formulation of the problem. How can the reading scavenger hunt strategy improve grade 9 students' reading comprehension at SMP 10 Kota Bumi? Objective of the research. To describe and analyze how the reading scavenger hunt strategy is implemented and evaluate its effectiveness in enhancing student reading comprehension. And the usage of the research result is for the students, it can boost motivation and engagement through interactive, enjoyable reading, encourage critical reading, vocabulary growth, and reduce anxiety. For teachers, offers an alternative strategy for engaging junior high school students, support student-centered learning, classroom interaction, and differentiate instruction. And for the researcher, it serves as a reference for future studies on gamified learning and reading comprehension, contribute to classroom action research, literature, and opens opportunities to explore game-based or digital strategies across skills, level, and context. We move into the theory review. This is the concept of reading comprehension. So, reading comprehension is an active cognitive process involving decoding, understanding, analyzing, and connecting ideas with prior knowledge. This is the theory about the reading comprehension, like from Greb 2021. His state that comprehension is constructing meaning, not just fluency. Keynes and Ramsden 2020 state that construction integration model understanding forms through linking ideas with prior knowledge. Nation 2021 vocabulary mastery is crucial. Snow 2021 academic texts require different strategies than conversational language. Averbach and Cho 2020 digital text demand new comprehension skills. Gilakjani and Saburi on 2016 good readers use both bottom-up, word level, and top-down, context level strategies. Teaching method for reading comprehension. This is the list for the effective teaching methods so far. The first one is collaborative learning by Fisher and Frey 2022. They state that group work boosts understanding. Reciprocal teaching, Zhang 2023, predict, question, clarify, and summarize. Student-centered tasks, Lee and Tan 2020, games and jigsaw reading outperform lecturers. Cognitive and metacognitive skills, Greb and Zhang 2021, teach students how to think while reading. SG3R method by Yuda and Mustadi 2025, step-by-step structure increase motivation and understanding. Gamified tools, Septianto 2025, points, reward, and quizzes make reading fun and focused. So the thing is, scavenger hunt is kind of combining this kind of method. So they became more enjoyable for the student, and also it's not so hard to implement it on the class before it's not using ICT. Reading scavenger hunt as a teaching strategy. So what it is? It is a fun goal-driven reading method where students search for information based on clues or prompts. Why it's work? It boosts their motivation and engagement by Smith 2021, Better Retention, Johnson and Miller 2021, Vocabulary Focus by Lee and Park 2022, Inclusive and Flexible, Hartman 2023, Support collaboration and peer discussion and proven effective by Thomas 2024 and also Kim and Thomas in 2023 and Thompson and Lee 2021. Relation to reading skills. It's improved inference, main idea identification, and student confidence. Blends both top-down and bottom-up strategies, and it's also interests student reading independence and enjoyment. Frame of thinking. This study assumed that interactive student-centered strategies like the reading scavenger hunt can significantly improve reading comprehension supported by constructivist theory, which promotes learning through active participation, and gamification theory, which increase motivation through game-like elements. This method fosters deeper engagement with text. The hypothesis, the use of the reading scavenger hunt will enhance grade 9 student reading comprehension by promoting active learning, collaboration, and critical thinking during reading tasks. Research design. This study used classroom action research by chemist and McTaggart, which consists of four cyclical stage: planning, action, observation, and reflection. It was conducted over 2 cycles to evaluate and refine the use of the reading scavenger hunt strategy in improving reading comprehension. This approach supports real-time classroom improvement and helps tailor instruction based on student needs and response. Research setting and participant. The research was carried out at SMP 10 Kota Bumi during the second semester of the 2020, I think I got a typo. So the second semester of the until 2026 academic year, the participants were grade 9 students chosen based on their difficulties in understanding main ideas, making inference, and engaging with English text. An English teacher collaborated throughout the CAR classroom action research cycles, assisting in planning and reflection. Instruments and data collection. To gather relevant data, the research used both qualitative and quantitative methods. Observation, interview, documentation, and student work samples were collected to assess engagement and learning process. Pre-tests and post-tests were used to measure the comprehension improvement, and questionnaire helped gather student feedback on the strategy used. For the data analysis and scoring, the data was analyzed using a mix of qualitative interpretation and descriptive statistics. Reading comprehension was evaluated based on student ability to identify main ideas, recognize details, make inference, understanding vocabulary in context, and interpret overall meaning. So that's all for my presentation. Again, I thank to all people that watch this. I think that's enough. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.